Assalamualaikum everyone. Hello, my name is Dinda Afifah Sudarpi. I am a 5th semester student from Universitas Tanjungpura, majoring in management in international class, Faculty of Economic and Business. Through this video, I will be answering questions for Advanced Human Resource Lecture Midterm Exam that had been sent by Sir Adi through Edmodo. In this first video, I will answer part A. How often do you attend lectures via Zoom and why? I always attend lectures through Zoom on the Advanced Human Resources course through Zoom. Because in my opinion, apart from that it is my obligation as a student to take the Advanced Human Resource Management lecture, because I take human resource concentrations, I also want to broaden my knowledge about human resource management to help me further in my career. Next, what books are used for Advanced Human Resource Management learning? How important it is the book to you as a student. The book we use is the 13th edition of the Human Resource Management book by Robert L. Mathis and John H. Jackson. This book is very important for me as a student who takes the concentration of HRM. What topics have you learned from the books? During the 7 Advanced Human Resource Management meetings, what can you get from the topics covered? The topics I studied first were Human Resource Management in Organization. HRM in organization is all about growth culture and not the performance-obsessed one. The second is jobs, works, and job analysis. What I got from this topic is how to plan the job analysis because job analysis has grown in importance as the workforce and jobs have changed. The last is selecting human resources, selection factors for global employees, including culture adjustments, personal characteristics, communication skills, personal or family concerns, and organizational requirement. The next question is, what topics have you presented to your friends in Zoom meetings? What have you explained to your friends? How will your friends view your presentations? The topic I present is about HRM in organization in Chapter 1. I explain what HRM is, what is organizational culture, and how HR is seen in organizations, and also the strategic role of HR. Me and my team also present a study case regarding HR engagement and productivity in organizations and our decision to handle them. The class said our presentation was good and very easy to understand.